Here's another exercise that would be great for your posture that you can do with your foam roller if you've got one. So my foam roller is 90 centimeters long. It's a longer one than yours might be, but it doesn't matter. You can do this same with a pool noodle even. I'm doing this standing up against the wall, but you can also do this on the floor lying on your tummy. I just thought it'd be easier to show you on the wall. So I'm standing front facing the wall, my hands about shoulder width apart, a little bit wider than shoulder width, balancing on the side of my hand. And all I'm doing is pushing the roller up with my arms straight and then pulling it down. So the movement here is actually isolating your shoulder blades and trying not to get your arms and your elbows involved. So as you can see, that movement is coming from this part of my shoulder blades rather than simply using my elbows. So a lot of the time I find that with people who are very stiff in their upper backs, they don't isolate this area, and when you're doing your back work or pulling exercises at the gym, all you're doing is using your arms a lot and front of your chest. So first of all, see if you can actually isolate this movement and get that muscle warmed up in the middle of your back without using your arms. Then the second thing would be then to hold that shoulder girdle and then pull the roller down while you hold your shoulder blades downwards and then pushing it straight up and then lengthening it out. So as you can see, as I'm lengthening down, I'm shortening, through the lats and my mid back, and then I'm pulling downwards, pressing into the roller a little bit with my hand so that I can engage a little bit more of the mid back muscles and then rolling it. So then once you've got that warmed up, you can actually see if you can maintain that downward hold of your shoulder blades while you then roll the roll up and try and build up to doing 10 or more reps. Okay? So that's a simple one that you can do with your foam roller. Again, you can do it on the floor or on the tummy.